It's recording.
Drop by, drop fell apart too soon. Glass floor breaks silence, sleeping through. Drink fear and father setting sun.
I'm yours, you're mine, and in this place, we could get lost. Honestly, like, I grew up in a family that was like loving on the surface, but like underneath, like there wasn't really any deep connection between us. I kind of just kept what I was what I felt, and kind of just like just kept it in me, and then I released that kind of feeling in ways that wasn't really the healthiest. I don't know, I just kept on telling myself that, and like trying to like get through every day.
Número uno, dejar ser, como que quiero decirte que dejarte tú mismo ser tú, ¿ok? Para que así mismo tú puedas mostrar al respeto a ti mismo primero, para que los demás te puedan respetar.
Like think about how I can word it. Like appreciation for this person's existence. I think that's what love is.
Like you have to like live life to find your purpose, like you said.
Right.
So if you want to find your definition of love, then you
Live.
gotta love. You gotta try. What if love is completely imperfect? If you're not obsessed when you're in love, like you're not in love.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And I think obsession definitely is love. I think they're the same thing.
How can one discover their purpose in life?
I mean, I feel like our purpose is always changing.
Okay.
So it's more like not discovering your purpose, but discovering your purpose, like, and like keep rediscovering it. My definition of love. Shit. I feel like my definition of love is kind of like no matter what, you'll kind of feel that you'll always like be attached, like no matter what, like that thing will always have a place, like in your body and in your mind, and like I don't know, you're just kind of always thinking about that person. I guess I am still in love, but so me and my ex, we had to end things, right? But we ended things like kind of in advance, so that it wouldn't be like horrible. I mean, I remember the last time that I saw her, I was at her house, and like it was pretty much like, what was crazy to me is that it was kind of like just normal, like up until like the last moments where it like all just kind of broke down, because I'm staying in school on the East Coast, I live here, she's moving to California.
She left California, blonde hair and California star. She's not
I guess love.
around
defined as like it's kind of the best thing that you've had.
She grew up in a sleepy little town.
It's stagnant
Parents
while
split
everything
up,
else is
American
dynamic.
South, and now the kids and me.
But
The
I
streets
remember I
are
was like
clean, so
reluctant
they don't
to like FaceTime because I didn't want to like start some shit.
leaves for college in about a month. She's
so we got a wild animal
bags
national territory.
packing.
Oh my
Summer's
God.
crunchy. Got a boy with long brown hair, and she seems to be the only thing he cares about. What he do?
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember we literally FaceTimed like for so long, and it was kind of like
For his backpack full of song, take him with you.
it was kind of awkward, it was kind of bad, but it was just like the most like I don't know, just like somber and like fucking like melancholic way to like end shit. Like, and I didn't sleep that night. Like, we talked until 5 in the morning for me, but it was like I literally like was on the phone with her, and my parents were like knocking on the door, and they're like, "Man, we have to leave." I learned that, you know, like change is forced upon you, and there's nothing you can do about it. Sometimes you just have to change dramatically.
What he do? For his backpack full of songs, you take him with you.
All right, listen.
I feel like one trait that holds me back is that like sometimes it's hard to be like honest with myself, if that makes sense. I don't know. Next question. Next question. Yeah. I guess just like being there for someone when they're like going through like something really hard is like my main definition of love. Is like my brother like just came out as trans like not too long ago.
Yeah.
And at first it was just like I don't know. But like I'm always gonna be there for him, of course.
Let's say like for example, back then, right? Way back when we were still like let's say 16. Okay. She knew a lot about me, I knew a lot about her. Right? Yet if like if I had to pick one, I'm gonna pick my sister because it's my family. Right?
Yeah.
Why do you think why does one person pick a family over a lover, even though the lover knows them more than their family member?
Well, I'd say it just kind of completes a different part of you.
Yeah.
But it's just the fact that they're there, you know, like a presence.
Exactly.
You know, just being there matters more.
Like, it's so easy to fall out of love, I feel like. True love, I don't think true love exists.
Do you think right now is the prime time to fall in love?
I honestly, I think it is actually.
Yeah. Yeah. I think it is.
You know when you're in love with someone when like that person is like on your mind like all the time. Like when someone's on my mind all the time, I'm in love with
It's
them.
like
I was in a pretty committed relationship, and basically she broke up with me because I guess she just wasn't feeling it anymore. But like To be honest, I like dead ass. I actually like don't know why exactly.
Part of me like wants to go back because it feels comfortable and safe.
Yeah.
But like I also want to like progress as a person. But I mean, with what I had with her, it's and you know the weirdest part though, like after saying all this, beautiful story,
Yeah.
I always tell people, and I really do believe that I've never been in love. Do you believe in one true love?
Yeah, I think so. I mean, maybe. I don't know. I mean, I don't know. Love is in all shapes and forms, So.
The problem was it happened too fast though. We knew so much about each other so fast.
Would wake up like last year, senior year, and I would take her to school all the time. I would drive her around everywhere. Like that's just like that's my sign of like I love you. Like she expected me to keep chasing, but like I'm not gonna chase because she broke up with me. Like I'm not gonna be try to work things out like after she broke up with me, I guess.
No creo en eso de que dicen que la persona cambia a otra persona por amor. No creo en eso, ¿ok? Pero el amor más grande para mí, en mis palabras, es de una madre a un hijo.
I still love this person. Like I don't care what this person did to me. I don't care what they did. I still love it.
Okay. Describe love in one sentence.
One sentence.
One sentence only.
Okay, let me think about this. Hang on. Love in one sentence. Going out of my way to help someone.
What's your definition of love?
First of all, I'm going to say my definition of love is always changing. Like, I think I've had 3 different definitions in my life where I thought I knew what love was, and then it wasn't. Like, love is definitely something you just feel. Like, it can be your friends, people that you're in a relationship with, but like, it's not like you go seeking for love, it's just something that happens with you.
Being around me is emotionally hard.
Exactly.
Then why are you with her? You had one bad experience with ice cream and you never ate vanilla again. And then she said, ice cream is like people. You know how to play 1979?
Oh yeah, should I play that?
Yeah.
Shakedown 1979. Cool kids never have a time. On a light wire right up off the street.
Love is unconditional, no boundaries.
Jukebox skipping like a stone. Headlights pointed at the dawn. We were sure we'd never see an end to
I still love this person. Like I don't care what this person did to me. I don't care what they did. I still love them.
know you're in love when you start doing things that you never thought you would ever do.
She was too good of a girl to be with me. What if love is completely imperfect? Sometimes you just have to change.
El amor de pareja viene a plantearse para mí es como que siendo tu mejor amigo.
Change is forced upon you. There's nothing you can do about it.
Yo dejo que tú seas como tú eres y así te quiero y así te acepto y lo mismo quiero para mí.
I'm yours, you are mine, and in this place we could get lost.
Mi definición del amor es, en una sola palabra, dejar ser.